Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a full backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, plug in the target drive and verify it has equal or greater free space than your Windows partition so cloning or migration will fit. Next, make a Windows installer USB or WinPE recovery media now. This lets you boot and apply the image or install Windows to the new drive. Make sure to note current drive letters and have a screwdriver ready if replacing a laptop drive. You decide whether to clone or perform a fresh install. If cloning, boot a rescue USB, select source Windows partition, and target drive. Choose sector by sector for exact copies or intelligent copy to shrink used space, then resize partitions to fit. If doing a fresh install, boot the Windows USB, delete old system partitions on the target only if intended, and proceed with installation. Also make sure the target drive uses the correct partition style, GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy BIOS, so your firmware can boot it. You finish by powering off and swapping drives if needed, then enter firmware settings and set the new drive as the first boot device. If Windows fails to start, use the Windows installer USB to run startup repair or open command prompt and run bcdbootc \Windows to rebuild boot files. That fixes most boot issues. Make sure the old drive stays disconnected until the new installation boots cleanly, so you avoid bootloader confusion. If problems persist, restore your backup to retry safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.